Is it? Wow.
There's one for you. Eat it. Mmm. Looks good. Yummy. Come here, come here. Yeah. I love you, Kush.
I said, sorry, I gotta look him, so do. And both of y'all look. Right. Right. Look out for and heel. Hello. Can I help you?
No, just
What's
filming.
going on?
It's gonna be in my vlog.
Oh, this is gonna be on Jess and Blonde.
Yes.
Cowgirl.
Yes.
Right. What am I supposed to do?
Just talk to the people.
Talk to the people.
Yes.
The only person here is you.
And the people that are in the camera.
Hello, camera.
Wanna say hello to the vlog?
Hello. The cowgirl.
Yes.
Boots are made for walking.
Yes, they are.
Let me see what you got there. Here come the cowgirl right there. Y'all wanna ride the thing? Who gonna drive?
Me.
Her. Let me see what you talking about, Jay. Let me see. We got the Milos in there. The sweet one.
No, I'm talking about the Jag. Hey, you messing our blog up, man.
Yeah.
Daddy, come on.
Let me just feel myself getting in there.
Man, that's game.
Come on.
That's game, yo.
Come on.
Go ahead, man.
Yes.
I want to get in there too.
You want to? Okay, come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to get in there too? No? You scared?
She sees Saray getting enough, she's gonna get in.
Get in there.
Watch out, right?
Watch out!
Thank you. Yeah, we want no crybaby.
Exactly.
So we just got done taking pictures out here and they're gonna be so cute. They're gonna be on my Instagram. It's golden hour.
Golden hour. I hate Instagram new update.
Anyways, guys, stay tuned to go look at my Instagram, JasmineJackson._ I almost forgot. Go look at my Instagram for the pictures. Okay. 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 Okay.
Got some food for you guys. Y'all done filled your little water tank up with debris, with wood chips.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I'm outside, as you can see. I'm trying to find some fam, because they're going.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You want to go out there with them?
Yeah, they're that way? Oh, I didn't see. Okay. Because they're berry picking. This is the fit with my boots under here. And we're about to go meet up with them.
You don't know.
She's not ready yet. They're going to wait down. She's not ready yet.
Yeah. We're going to grab the tools and cut the opening open.
Show them what you got. They're picking some blackberries.
They're going to open Yellowstone up Wednesday, Priscilla.
Looks
They're
good.
going to open up Wednesday.
We're saying right in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, these are sweet. I like these ones. The ones you just gave me are sweet.
Oh yeah, you gotta get the real plump and salt. That one's really sweet right there. That one's super sweet.
Yeah, and they're soft. I like these.
If they were in the sun though, they get evening sun over here. But over there, where they're in the sun, if you can find one, they are the best tasting ones when they're warm.
Yeah.
This one, my dear friend
Waiting on you right here.
Where? That one. That dude looks so good.
See the big one?
Right here?
Yeah. They're not super big berries.
Yeah.
They might be. They're so sweet. They might be
Yeah.
hard.
These look so good. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, Buckmoss. I need to put some salt in it.
Yum yum.
He was planting a whole bunch of chestnut trees, you know, and like little oak, you know, what that's called, chestnut oak trees.
This one. I feel like that one's gonna be.
Mm.
The one I just ate was very tart.
Yeah, they sweet on this side.
Yeah.
See them right there on that bush, I show you.
Oh, you see some right here?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Blueberry, y'all.
Yeah, you can get all them off.
Yeah.
Oh, they right.
Yeah, these are good.
Mm-hmm. I seen them the other day.
Look at things. Yeah, y'all.
Yeah, ain't none of these gonna be good ready yet. They starting to turn slowly. But what happened was they started flowering. And then we had a freeze come
Yeah.
and froze the damn flowers, and that's why these ain't producing as good as they normally do.
Don't get too close.
There's
A lot of
spiders down here.
what?
Oh no, about number.
What happened?
Oh, sticking her.
Where at?
Right here.
Hurry up, Dave.
Work your way out.
There.
Work your way out. Just lift the one. So this is very nice. This is pretty cool.
It's a nice walk. Cool.
And it looks like I don't got no doorknob on it.
Daddy be pulling it open. Now open it that side.
I don't want to get no splinter. I'm scared I'm getting splinter.
There you go.
Oh, this looks great in here.
Super hot.
Now this is like,
Hurry.
this is like, you put somebody in here, you're going to kill
You gonna die.
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah. So this is why we able to grow food in the wintertime, because it keeps its temperature.
Oh,
So-
you're supposed to keep it hot.
And you're not supposed to use it in the summertime.
So what we're gonna do is like just roll the vegetables and do it waffle space in between because the water. So it'll be a roll here, a roll there, all the way up down. Oh. Yeah, like this could be one waffle space coming down the middle, another going right there, another going right there. That's nice. Just like that. You know, this reminds me of that movie. It's some movie they were in. It's like a slasher movie. They're in a greenhouse. Oh no, I'm sorry, y'all. This is crazy. This
But
is
that's how you know your greenhouse is working.
when it's really hot.
It's really hot.
Okay.
These are the things we can let the sides up and down.
Oh.
You can roll them down
Uh-huh.
and then roll them back up.
Did they ever come in here so you inspect it?
Yeah.
Y'all did a good job on this. This is really nice. This is like professional work almost. I like it.
Thank you. Me and Daddy almost got like 5 or 6 divorces.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we did it. I feel like, we accomplished something, and when I was done, I felt like a team player.
Yeah. Great.
I feel good. Well, I think I lost a couple pounds.
Yep. You can stand in there and burn some calories.
It's pretty cool today. Huh? I don't think it's gonna get that hot today.
We got no damn baby. We already got no macaroni. We had coleslaw. Folk thing good. No potato salad.
No potato salad. Yeah, I should get this song.
The rice is nasty as fuck.
Rice? I thought rice was good.
That's the only one you got.
Can I participate
Well,
now?
I mean,
Oh, it's not. But that's a big tub, though.
fine.
You think it's cool?
We got change.
Oh wait, this costs more.
How much?
$8.49.
I think she said it's $13. Apparently, I wasted money on baked beans.
Oh wait, this
Man.
That's the same.
This is cool.
Yeah, it look like enough for everybody. It would look big.
Not until we go to the.
Yeah.
You left somewhere.
It's pretty. That's a pretty butterfly. Where'd it go? Oh, look at it.
Why
Oh,
you don't let me pick you up?
maybe it's scared of you.
Oh,
Oh, it's right there.
You know I'm trying to communicate with him. I don't know why you playing. Oh, you gonna go over there? Keep the tree.
That's your butterfly call.
When I come to the bell. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear young baby. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Enjoy. I appreciate it. Look your partner man. I see what you're saying.
Wave to the camera, Lily. Wave. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.